Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn about external references in AutoCAD. The simple meaning of X reference is external reference like drawing file, PDF file, images, etc. Attached external references are linked to the model space of a specified drawing file. Changes made to the reference drawing are automatically reflected in the current drawing when the X reference is reloaded. The attached X references do not significantly increase the size of your current drawing. Okay, we will see in software how to attach external reference. Here we can see the insert tab. In insert tab, a reference toolbar is here. In reference toolbar, attach, click on attach. Here we can see I will attach an image. Okay, open. Here we can see this image name. I will click OK and click here. Okay, you can see the image is inserted. Likewise, we can insert the drawings or different images or whatever you want to insert in your drawing. You can be attached from references. Okay, you can see how I have inserted this image in AutoCAD. Okay, we have seen the procedure to how to attach image. Okay.